I'm Don Ware. I work for Anderson Plywood. I take care of most of the Festool here. Today I was just kind of showing off Festool's vacuum plant, and right now it's loose. Nothing to it right there. All it is one little switch right here. Let's pull this forward, slot down to the table, and I can lifting the whole table right now. I use this just almost on a daily basis. And here, all the squares that we sell for the MFT table, before I send them out, I just barely go around and just chamfer the edge just a little bit. And all you do is just drop that on. It's right there. It's not going to come out from there. In fact, I'm lifting the whole table right now. Okay, I'll leave this a little bit loose so it turns a little bit. So I don't have to run around the piece. I just turn the piece for what I'm doing. And right here. That quick, I go through a lot of the squares, but this saves me countless amount of time, and I'm routing right here in the store. All right.